За to, że mnie nie wpiął mikrofon. Genial. Hello. Test, test. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Genius. I know, I know. Let's post it now. Okay. So, hello, people. We are live. This is the second time I'm starting live because I doxed myself again. So, what was it? What did I say last time? So, what we did last time is we added projection view and transform matrices. So we can do some weird stuff with the image or with any entity in quotation marks. So what we have right now is this square image that's going from left to right for, I think, 1,000 frames. Let's see. Here's the for loop. Yes, no, for 100 frames only. And what we also have. So the biggest error last time was these projection view and not transform it. This is just projection view because we had a space here and here. So both of them didn't work. And I was like, why does transform work and projection doesn't? And then I spent an hour debugging it, which was the most fun I ever had. Lies. But now it worked. So for today's stream, I wanna clean up a bit because I found some duplicate code, and also go ahead. Wait, why is there this green line here? That's just a second. I am sure I did. So why is that green line there? There is no green line there anymore. Perfect. And I also want to redo this so it's an actual game loop and not just whatever the fuck this is. So first in the utils, there's this init OpenGL, which is from where I copied the renderer code. Here, this is that, the pixel format descriptor, and all of this, and it's also here, and we don't need it here, so we're gonna remove it. Then so we can delete that utils. We have the print back window size. That's not a bad thing. You get you have a normalized rect. Which normalizes it, the rectangle, and then we have these two, which are neither, I think. Oh, anyways, let's see. Renderer.cpp. Init. Again, these are some weird. Okay, let's close all tabs so don't get any of those weird lines. This also needs to be moved to somewhere else, but it's gonna stay there for now. Stay here for now, I guess. Run successfully initialized OpenGL context. What does init graphics do? Well, nothing smart. ABS viewport. I can do that. I should probably do that from somewhere else. So let's go into renderer. Close this and this and this, this and this. Oh, okay, interesting. And this. Just a second. I think I read these. Said it. Let's see this. And then I'm gonna go back to okay. Okay, let's see. So buffer set viewport. This type. What I also want is a set viewport. Well, I can just do area. I guess of the monitor, but I want the monitor because I wanna. How does it? How does you do that? I guess that makes sense in one way or another. Yeah, it does make it. So I can just do here. I get my renderer dot set viewport, and then actually need to do this here. How did this ever work? So in the wrong place. Init graphics doesn't exist anymore. It's needed to be dot 1 0 is equal reference to it is equal to this. And we can monitor that area. Does it still work or go? No. Oh my god. Oh yes, so I need also to go application and init graphics remove. No. If yes, I'm renderer that is initialized. It's initialized. It's not initialized. It still works. Perfect. I wanna see what happens. And now I'm gonna get the first one. And see if it works. It works! I'm so happy. You cannot see it because it's on the other monitor, but it does indeed work. It's not called all this monitor, we're gonna call it just a monitor, not monitor 0. It's not. I don't need to set the viewport 7 times. Oh, that's why it worked, because I was setting viewport here and there. Oh, I think that's why. I need to see this. Oh, yes, so I was doing that. Huh. Not even surprised it worked then. Yes, so what else do we need to do? Post event, I don't think I'm gonna leave events for now, but that's not how I'm gonna actually do them. I don't think, at least. So let's see. While I'm running, if it makes sense, I wanna run that, I think. Projection and transformation matrices. Projection and view matrix need to be done up here. Area, which is I'm gonna do it like this, so I can actually differentiate everything. Right, okay. We don't change this. Transform is per entity. So this actually needs to go in here. Less in there and more in. And I don't have to move this. I have to move this though. This. Project. You need to fade out here. I'm gonna get my shader. Let's maybe here. This thing like this. I use it. And then I'm gonna remove this. And let's see if this works. If this still works. Oh, it's not moving because I'm stupid, but it does work. Oh, it doesn't work because this needs to be in here for it to. The for loop needs to be inside the while loop. Also do some other things. Ah, right. Huh. Here's the thing, because transform is not transform, it's position, correct? So like this, and then entity dot and position, correct? Correct. So I guess it's gonna be something like this then. Entity, but then position is gonna be position. Entity and position, correct. No. So it's gonna be like this, entity position plus equals, and then this. This to this. There's also actually. Then can I do dot text plus equals? Because it's a fucking oh my fucking god, I'm stupid. Let's see if this works. It's not this. It does. I still think that the dot x is much better than this because it why do I think it's better? Because we changed just the one thing and not like 7 other things. This, then we don't need this, and then we run, and we hopefully don't get an error. We don't get an error, perfect. Also physics and the other thing could be separate, if I remember correctly. Physics and render. So you do physics there and then rendering there. In separate functions. But it does work, that's good. So how would you normally? Let's look at this. No, I don't think this has a game mode. Let's just see it. Yeah, it does not. Game loop B++. So process input update random. So what we want, I think, out of these two. So we have these. Let's show it. I hope you can. Let's see how visible is it. Visible enough. So we have process input, update, and render. What we want is these two. So these two, not like this thing. We want only to use them every frame. We can render as many frames as we want, as long as we can update, as long as we update the game every like 60 times a second, 100 times a second, 300 times a second, not more. Or we can do this. Let's see, we can let's move this here so I can see if anyone is test. Okay, I hate this because YouTube is saying the audio stream's current bitrate is 0 because I'm not talking. So it's warning me I'm not talking. I hate it. Let's see. So, one part of damages, attempts dependency and trending. I love that the game using a fixed time step because it makes everything simpler and more stable for physics and AI. Built when we render in order to free up some processor time. It looks like this, a certain amount. Yeah, some amount of field time has passed and since last year. This is how much game we need to simulate for the next now to catch up with the play. Okay, makes sense. So not bad. 60 FPS. Okay. Without info doing too short unit update render. Whenever we can such frequent update unit steady either both updates. Build out the update loop when it's less than the update. Plus the render no CG game and velocity, so it's set the bullet is 20 pixels from the left side. So move the frame if you have it. Translators. Okay. Platform 7. Simply don't need to worry about road managing. Yeah, right, it's yourself to control. Interesting. Yeah, as fast as we can. Fixed time step The next step is running game of a fixed time and play and synchronization points. Then variable time step and fixed update time step variable rendering. Also the most adaptable. It updates fixed time, but again, when it fixes it, catch up to place clock. The classic articles did assume without it. Huh. Let's see what Reddit has to show us. Yeah. Sound effect. I think is that not? No, it's not. Let's see. Fix delta time. Render delta time plus delta time. Okay. Variable delta time. State TST frame. Semi-fixed timestamp. And the next one is some eventually. For example, I'll touch, but well, now consider the majority of times it's more reminder of the between the previous and current basic table. Well, okay. First paint times alpha plus previous state times 1 minus alpha. The fuck is a state? Doesn't matter. Oh, that's nice. So game on. Simulation time. Then, well, row. Real time is get time. Simulation time is less than real time. So let's update world. Then render the world. Update, render, update, render, update, render, update, render. There's our constant time slicer guys have simple code for replaying calling playback. Solid collision detection system most important now simulation running on different machine. Synchronize along the same input random feeds are provided. Interesting. That's an interesting take. The time size is only 16 milliseconds. Interesting. It's interesting. Time slice is current time minus last time. Oh, see, this is that. We don't. We simulate the world too many times at the beginning. That's weird for me. I like, and when I was working before, I did not this, but I did something I think similar to this. Update when needs be, and in other cases just random process input. That's what I did. Just I think this feels like the best option. Previous current elapsed. Sense lag. Lag is not really. Not sure. I mean, it is, I guess. Huh. Previous. Let's copy paste this then. Let's see. So, get time. See what was. There is the time thing, I guess. Just, huh. Time to teach, I think. Time to teach. Steam. I want to see how to use it. Just a second. Yeah, this because now this seems like the most interesting thing. Local time. Get milliseconds. Yes. Okay. Because I'm bad at copy pasting it seems. Versus time. Date. Yeah. On. Hmm. Let's see this. Okay, this is why I use it. This is why I like reading. Seeing people's opinions. Where is the PCH.C? The date times the chrono. Chevron, perfect studio. Not sure what that is. Anyways, we have the chrono, so that's nice. I'm gonna get sorry. I just don't for like get milliseconds. Okay. It flows you, and that's about that for closing. STT. Chrono, milliseconds, and get millis. Return this. So let's see. STT chrono. Duration. Seconds. Perfect. Okay. It is milliseconds exactly. Long. Or milliseconds. I guess I can use just milliseconds. This is nice. This is centimillimicro. No, pico femtoatto. What the hell uses happen? No. Really. Well, I want to use. I want some more precise. No, milliseconds in microseconds. Yeah, milliseconds seems fast enough, I think. Ratio. Anyways, milliseconds. Millis. The chrono. Seconds previous is the first millis. At mil. Yes, double milli. We get millis. And it also the H. Let's see, get millis, okay. Current. And elapsed. Let's see. Interesting. Let's see. I compare this here. There is perfect. Processor. Twice. Milliseconds update. Const. I guess milliseconds. Update. I'm gonna say like 16 seconds. What is like 60 divided 1000 milliseconds divided by 60? That's 60, not 16. 60, around 16 milliseconds. Perfect. Let's see, where is it? Vision expression. Hmm. Gold. Alright, I do want like random, and this is gonna be random. Oh, time. Low. I don't care about that. I'm gonna move this and this and get. Let's go into this application.h like this. The shader, I can have it there and there, and it's gonna be render. Render. Yes. Size the 0. And go like that plus, and then do something like less than 100, and see if that. Let's run it and see when it crashes. It doesn't crash. Very good. Very good, very good. But this will be up this should be done in the update, not in the random. Okay. Updates. Just a second. I don't know what I opened. Wait. I hit. I just like this. Yes, so we got the update. Update. It works. Very good. I wanna see what can I do if I do 1 over 60. 1 over 60. I'm just gonna not do anything because it's so 1 to f. So let's try that now. Okay, that's good. I think that's perfect. Is it gonna end up there every single time? rerun. I mean, it would just perfect because we do 100 low. Doesn't really matter. We wanna try for a second. Hmm. Start. Start is less than this. Is less than this times 1000. That's gonna do it exactly for a second. Okay. No. What's this? Unforgettable? Back. Back. That makes sense. I think it does make sense. I'm gonna print this everything. Here. STD, cout. Jag har sett this. Sorry, thanks. Thank you. Started at 0 and got to 1. Very perfect. Perfect. I like it. Did for 1 second at least. Now, can I let's stop this because I don't think it's next. I'm gonna just a picture. What's that? Bookmarks. Other bookmarks. Those. New folder. No. The fuck? What the hell? Control B. Manage bookmarks, yes. Okay. Let's delete folder and delete folder. And this, save this too. Bookmarks toolbar. Game engine. Stop there. So I'll save this there, and this there, and this there. And now I close all of this. And next, I'm gonna open something. That's not what I want. Opening window. Flappy Bird vendor. I have that here, but I have it in. Yes, here vendor. Oh, can find. Oh my god, no! I don't want that. Smart. Open it code. Perfect. So this is what I have. The real W source code, at which I do stuff that I need to do with the thumb. Instead of using like, this is very top. So let's figure this out. What I want is, what does it say here? Process input. Let's, so here, and process input, GLFW. We get this, and then we see. Actually, I can just go here, process input. Process input. Get key window, okay. Okay. And the other thing is swap buffers, we do poly events. So let's learn where that is in here. We don't need this anymore. Let's go here. Yeah, that's good. Cocoa. Never. Let's see. Poly events. Internal poly events. Perfect. I have to find where I set the poly event. Poly events pin 32. Perfect. Message. Wind handle window. Peak message. Message 0. Wait. Input. Just post VM. With other processes may post this. That's manager state. Transfer message and dispatch message. Okay, that's not, I guess. That's the platform. Stop this, let's see. Yeah. Hello. Translate message and dispatch message. Peak message. Blue. This is all in Win user and I don't know. Message. So this is like, while there are messages, remove message. Go through all of them. If it's quit, we say we want to quit. Perfect. So this is okay. Otherwise, we translate the message. So again, win user, and then we dispatch the message. We cannot understand what that means. Release modified keys. That's system did not emit pack. Interesting. Shift key of Windows tends to stick when both are pressed, as no key up message is generated when the first key is released. Window key is not reported as released by Win plus V hotkey other than Win hotkeys. Other Win hotkeys are handled by implicitly by input window focus because they change the input focus. The other half of this is the Windows and a handler in Windows block. Interesting. Did not understand what that means. There is, I guess this is the cap. Okay, this is funny. Okay, we don't need that. I don't think so. Window. Okay, if there is a window keys. This one. Interesting. Good. It's interesting. Bit of size. So this is for only those 4 keys. Okay, interesting. I'm gonna close that one. So I'm gonna keep all the needed information in this window and just copy paste it there. Let's see. So this is how we poll events. I'm gonna do just that. Next thing we need is, if you look in here, glf get key window. This should close. So glf get key. That's in window.c. Here, get key. How does this? Oh, perfect. So I can just count. And that's not the worst thing I did. Let's see. Bathroom ID. What's Win32? That's 40. Set cursors, get scan for names, get scan. 8. Terminate. Okay, this. Let's see number 40. Get key scan codes, which is not what we need. What we want is get key. Get key. Interesting. Okay. Let's try to find this. Okay, so we get the candle. Okay. See the key. If it's less than escape and not then last, invalid. Okay. So space is, I guess, the first key we are checking. Window the keys. Interesting. But it's weird because what we're looking for. Bless you. Bless you, bless you. All events.
Ah,
Bless you.
Flappy.
Who?
Flappy.
Bless you.
Kuckuck.
I agree. There's the polygons. Where's the third code? Bless you.
Да.
Bless you.
Да, да.
Bless you. Polygons. So platform.poly. For us, it's this.
Turkey. Nerede maçka?
So this is that processing, I guess, which I skipped somehow. Where is process input? There is no process input. Let's find it then. No, process input is that function. So how the fuck does it do it? Because find projection shader. We swap buffers and then poll events. And right. Where is the window? Window.8. Here. Context.swap buffers. Window.context. I guess that's true. Context. Uh, dot context. Context doesn't matter. This is this text. This maybe. Yes.
Yeah, but
So, interesting. Well, so how does it do it? What's the name of it? This thing. Let's see. So have this get keys. No, get key name. This. So window.keys. Input. That's not window close to receiving focus. It's not focused. You set all the keys to release. Okay. This is that. So from 0 to up, we see if action is released and it's released, we do nothing. If it's pressed and it was pressed, we set repeated. If action is released and Windows sticky keys, should have W stick, I set it to action. And if repeated, we set action to repeat. Interesting. What does it seem?
Math video.
Let's see. Okay. Where is this code problem? Evidently cocoa. Input C. Where is this? What's this? Hey. Oh, interesting. It's window proc. Hey, I think I have that. I think I had that at least. Let's go to this window proc. Oh, so that's how we do it. So a callback function which you define in your application processes messages sent to a window. The win proc type finds a pointer to this callback function. The WND proc name is a placeholder for the name of the function that you choose to find. Interesting. Again, I have the wrong thing. Huh. Window proc. Static something. So this is what we register here. If I go in here, let's see if we. Huh. Let's see. Entry points. First program, create a window, a message. Creating a window. So we get a class name, which is what, oh, for fuck's sake. This window class. So this is this extra fallback size. Okay. Window LPFN. Yes, each instance is each instance. Cursor. Using. This is the icon. If available, we don't really need an icon. Pointer to. Very interesting. Then we register the class if possible. Very nice. Yeah. So let's do that. Get this. I don't want to create a window. I want to just register the class. Please. Q. This is what I need. We go in here. So register sample window class.
Hey,
This is what happens when you have to do everything on your own. Let's see. I mean, I don't have to do this. I'm just. I might have to do this. I don't know if I have to do this, but I'm gonna do it. So in proc, let's go here. Let's copy paste this and then got someone stuff. So you get a window. If there's no window, then anniversary update operator. Oh my god. Non monitor DP aware of version 1 systems only enable non-paid scaling windows that scale scans. What? So if it's this, if it's display change, for monitor. Okay, okay. Device change to is operating initialized. So if it's not initial PTs, we don't care. Param. Yeah, I don't really think I care either way. That's interesting. See? This is a good to leave this to smarter people. Activate. Phone crystal development window is activated by clicking a caption button. Word. Right window change frame action. Okay. Capture chain. Capture button action has been completed or cancelled. Interesting. Set focused. Do not disable cursor interacting with the caption button. Is there anything that's not a hack here? Like each one of these has a hack. Window cursor. Disable the neighbor cursor. Okay, here, man. Monitor we're running in a post so disable. Interesting. So trying to access application menu using Alt. Question mark. I like it. Close. Close. Input language change key names. Char syschar. If it's there. Otherwise, oh my god, no, I thought that's hot point. Char. Sorry, but code points are very, very bad memory for me right now. Unit chart. Windows, but this is some third-party input method engine is include here and also support for this message. GLFW input char window. Okay. Keys down. Key down. Sys key down. Key up and sys key up. Key and scan code. So if it's release or press, get key modes. Mods, not modes. Mods. Scan code is and key standard. Some synthetic key message will have a scan code of 0. Map the virtual key back to a usable scan code. The GLW win code scan codes. Key codes at scan code is okay. Right side is have extended key bit set. Anti-correct since left control followed by right alt. We only want one event for autocorrect, so we gr. So if we detect this sequence, we discard the left control message and it report a right alt normally. Next, if it's this red, the right key is this. So if this is if it's extended, okay, this as a matter. Else process key. Setting search or scan, but doesn't matter. Yes, then faction, release and key shift. It can code action mods. Shift keys on shift up elements when both are pressed. The first release does not emit any event. The other half of this is in all elements with 32. Oh, that's nice. If vparam is weak enough, but key down is not reported for the pins here. Oh my god, so many hacks. Hack, 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 hack. Otherwise, just put it do. Oh, that's Windows can code action mods. Interesting. Then left, right.
Activity.
So it's left, right, middle, 4, 5. If the action is press, otherwise if the release, mouse button is 0 is just last that plus. If any of them are press, we break. Why? Otherwise, then if it's not, we don't break. If I is greater than 0, that mouse button last. Capture HWD. Mouse click. Get key mods. Interesting. These set capture and release capture. View message. Now up, return true, otherwise return 0. Small action. Cursor rect. Center. Cursor mode. Cursor disabled. Position will change. Position areas. Cursor positions window X and Y. Input data. With all of this, I'm wondering if I should just include the geolog W here too, because this is so much. So I'm not willing to break at any point in time. If I just go through it. Wheel mouse, look here. Exit, size, move, and do number. That's the thing, we don't have a window. Fuck. Window damage. Put window damage. Pain. Oh my god, why? That's DPI scaled, size, DPI changed, cursor, profiles. Thank you. So it's like 600 lines of code. Some bullshit. Bullshit. Never again. Continue with that. Okay. I wanted to see go all the way up. Let's see. So this, for example. So it's perfect. So if I go here and look, okay, I need to remember this one. So let's remember that one. Thank you. Anyways, what I wanted is here, and then here, get here, and this, get key, so get key here. So window dot keys. Just a second. We go to here. Well, that doesn't matter. Key. It's normal key. Draw the input key. Window. Where do we get the window? That's my thing. Yeah, that's what I'm wondering too. Window. Right, so I deleted. Huh. I was sure that there was like window at the top. It is true.
Açı video.
So let's see. Excuse me. What about Pin Pro? We don't have a window. I don't see why you would input fallbacks key. Okay, this is the fallbacks. Okay, that understandable. These signs look so weird, but they are what they are, I guess. Let's see. I guess. So I'm gonna get prop W handles. So I'm gonna add something to the handles. The question is what? People. Actually, really good questions. I'm gonna figure it out and see what I'm gonna do. Because let's see. Get prop W. She said that the handle prop with a list of specified handle. Set prop. And set prop W. There. Not just. Function as a new entry to the list if the specified character string does not exist in the list already. Okay, so we can have a map. So it literally is a map. That's interesting. I like it. That's very nice. So I can add all the values I want. Okay. So let's, because I was like, ooh, how do I do that? Isn't that gonna override some important information? It's not if we, don't have to override anything because we can it's a map, which means we can get any prop. I think. Let's see. So in application, CPP, surrender with CPP. Oh, monitor manager CPP. No one is sure which CPP people use. I guess monitor manager. No, I guess it would be a key manager, something like that. Like key is something. Key manager. I like key. No, input manager. Perfect. I'm so creative with these names. I don't know what I would do without them. Anyways, we go up to core, click OK. Input manager with the date. That's CPP. Doesn't matter. could include PCH, then include input manager. Yeah, so input manager tape. First of all, namespace wallpaper API. Next, after the input, so what do we want? We want to take the HWND. So it's going to be an input, HWND, put a handle. Perfect. So this is going to be public domain, and then private domain. Let's see. Namespace wallpaper API. Just a second.
Okay.
So we get a namespace wallpaper API, then we get our input, and we do 7 points, and then HWND, ND, and then we set n ND to HWND, like this. It's gonna be more like this, because what we need is set from W. I can, there is no this pointer between, so what do I do? So maybe input date or something like that, like something like that. A list of keys, maybe. Let's go in here. Let's follow. Switch in this. So it's like this. So I'm gonna have something like data. I mean, that's a bit stupid. I mean, it's not a bit stupid, it's a lot of stuff. HWND L string input, and then yes, no, this pointer, shift plus.
Idę na pogledę.
That's one. I don't think this is gonna work. No, besides this reason. Well, and this one up. Control build. I don't know why this works. Pointer to this. This is a pointer. Huh. The more you know. Oh, maybe that's why it didn't focus for fuck's sake. To set
Yeah.
input for this. So now we have a few things. Let's have some charts. Scan codes and key names. None of this is bad. I'm gonna copy paste this here. Key codes, the last key menu. Report it. I am very much gonna copy paste this. It's gonna be something like input, and it's gonna be here. I feel like it should be there at least. The okay, no. You're gonna go in there, in here. What's it? New, not the fuck I was using. Place perfect. Let's replace space. Okay. Something like that. It does open. Huh. I do not know it's gonna work like that. Oh, I'm so smart. Holy shit. 44, 45, 46. Perfect. So then you're gonna get this and best replace it all together. It's nothing.
JTT.
Let's see. This or this. This. Like this. Let's see. Uh, like that works. This works. Where is it? I feel like John. Is it better before or after performance? Here it should be better. So let's do it before the comments. Here. Yeah, that's me. This not to you. Perfect. But then again,
Marco.
just a second. Then we got all our keys. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Ours. It's our. No one else. No one else's. No one else's. What else? Double restore. Input. Input. Create API. That matters. Clipboard settings. Clipboard string. No. What can't? Ah, yeah. Hmm. What is that window? There's this correct. No, this is that. Yeah. No, here. No, it's one of these one. No, it's a window. Keys. This is the we want. So let's see. So these are all the keys, scan codes and key names. Good. How do we set these key codes? These are some very good questions. What?
Key.
Stream. So I was muted until now. It is very fun as always. I fucking hate it. Here and everywhere. Okay, don't here. This is what I need. Such a weird thing that works, I guess. I don't know. I mean, it's good. So this is like breakout of this portal. This is what I didn't understand earlier, but I understand now. So input mouse click. Okay, suck. How does that work? Okay, I mean, into my mouse buttons. Should I stick? Otherwise, it's action.
Szafki.
Focus, not really. Here, that is that. So it's first here, which makes sense. Release capture. What does release capture? Okay, so that's from there. Perfect. So I'm gonna get this function. So scroll. So we are gonna go get this. Oh, and put future fisher code. Return otherwise we set and then set a callback to change. Drop. That's so I need input cursor pause and input mouse click. Yes. Hello.
Milon kick up.
Next I wanna get the input, no input, this, then up here, this. And we're also gonna get input key. Because we are like stealing everything.
Oh.
I know, so bad. So input key. The keys can hold external mods. What's mods? What's this mods? Me too.
Hey. Did it appear on stream? Ah,
Yeah.
you did. Yeah.
Yeah. Only for the key flag. Ooh. So this is Shift Control Alt Super.
Motti?
Mod Caps Lock and Mod Num. Mods. Modifier bits. Let's see. Modifier bits. This is literally bad. So it's if it's Shift, if it's Control, if it's Alt, if it's Super, if it's Cap Lock, and if it's Num. Nice.
Can I borrow you?
I'm gonna be back. I'll be back. Toilet break. Hello, hello, hello. I am the backer. I am back, and now we are gonna go continue stealing the code from other sources, such as GLFW. No problem. Okay, let's see. I also want to see, like, what do they release and press? If we go here and go to the release, it's actions. Okay, I guess actions.
Can you... Aqui, what you do that now it's...
Yes. Let's see our action. So we need a release, press, and what's this?
Sure.
No. That is GLFW stick. Internal key state used for sticky keys. I guess I'm gonna add that. So release, press, repeat. Release, press, repeat, and stick phase. Thank you.
Repeat.
Release, press, repeat, and sticky.
Oh.
Release, press, repeat, and sticky. Is equal to 0. I don't know if I should use them all like full. No, not all full. Let's see. Ah, full. False. Okay. Yes. I'm back after almost breaking everything. Hello. So I wanted to see how do I say any non-different D white character. So what I have to do is like this. A to Z plus base. Okay, thank you.
Matic. Touch. Nuts. Nuts.
I'm gonna copy paste this. I actually don't need to copy paste that. I'm just $1. Oh, it's one.
It's for drinking. We get here.
Or two.
Drink. It's okay.
Something like this then. I already forgot. Oh my god, it's not like that. How was it? Fuck. Where
We need to
get
go now.
first match?
What she said to
Yes, of course. Yes.
Why is she doing that? Why are you doing that? She thinks it's poop.
Interesting. You know?
Nee, wat heb ik hier zo even?
What? You know, so it's not empty. The last two.
Can I give some advice
Yes,
to the general public?
of course.
Whenever you go to a nail salon or any kind of salon where they are modifying your body, please be aware of what you are talking about. Avoid all kinds of political, philosophical, and religious topics for your own sanity. Thank you. And just because you don't want to get into a situation where you're trying to avoid insulting someone's view, and they are literally like they can fuck up your body, so don't do it. Yeah. Thank you.
The end of the public service announcement.
I'm saying my nail technician was great. I just went through a lot of stress. Thank you. Misschien ter hoepel ze zo'n probleem.
Huh?
Misschien ter hoepel ze zo'n probleem.
No, bro. No?
Immers?
No. One. Also. This. That. You perfect. Perfect. This is what I want. So I want this.
I didn't shake your hand. For the thingy that gets me to go already. That's not percent with it.
Okay, let's see. That's what. How the. Hmm. Over. No. Is. Rejects. Rejects. Do you. And L. L. And L should. Of course, not L. Oh my god, I've thought much. Slash with semicolon equal. I feel like it should be over here. Yeah, this is a light black. Right, right. That's a great accent. Space enter tab backspace entered. Page up, page down, home and pause, apps, lock, lock, num, lock, lock, rent, screen, pause, keypad, decimal, let's go up, shift control alt superstructure. Perfect. Menu. Let's see, this should be right, and it is gonna be left. I love how I'm so good at this. I'm gonna copy paste it in the chat so I don't forget it. And this.
Ah!
The thing I just did with rejects, I still don't know how to pronounce it, regex, is the pure is, how do you say it? Is exactly what every programmer will do, which is try to automate something, even though it's gonna probably take less time not to automate. Because I could have gone manually through all of these. There's not a lot of them, and report is that, but no. Fuck no. Okay. Last. Is key release. I need this. It is drill of double release and press. So it is action. This. Action, release, and action, release, and action, press, and action, press. Then throw.
The more you fuck around, the sooner you find out.
Very true. It's so if it's release, then I set the action. The key, yes, it's action stick. It should be key sticky. That's not key sticky. Go to minus stuff. Otherwise, it's this key. If repeated, action is set to action. Repeat. Emotes. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you.
Sorry.
Thank you. Good. Bless you. This is like it. We don't lock keymods. This is, I think, remove that from the mods. We don't have mods, and we don't really care. We care about the mods. That's from here. No, it's bless you. Get it. Thank you. Get key state. Mod control, mod alt. Left twin, right twin, and mod super. Interesting. This is good for when we care. Because currently, stupid cat, what the fuck are you doing?
Huh?
See,
what the fuck it was?
Fantastic.
The cat has infiltrated Maki's desk.
Perfect. So this is good for callbacks, but we don't really care that at that point for callbacks, I don't think. So I don't think I'm gonna want them in there. No mods, and also no callbacks at all. So let's see this. Start class. Load program. So repeat. That's the only way so we get repeats of page. No problem, no problem. Ah, okay. This is for callbacks, which makes callback makes sense for that because we, for example, when repeated, we just want to. For example, let's look at this. You see the delay between before the second and the other characters start to show up. First, second, third, fourth, fourth. That's the delay between release and then, oh wait, it's repeat, and then we add them all, I think. So I don't think I care for that at the moment. I just care if it's some key is down or if it's up. I'm gonna skip all that for now. That's not repeated. Same, it's repeated. I mean, I cannot repeat it into itself. Release Windows sticky keys. And sticky keys. That's short, but yes.
Juicy.
Thank you. There's no sticky keys in here, so I don't care about sticky keys. For me, it's never gonna be a sticky key. Handle key press. Handle key. Handle mouse click. Handle mouse click. And then mouse action. Handle action. Handle mouse. Message! Fuck off. So we don't need the window. What was the name of this? I did this. Okay, I am back again. I am back. She's lying. I am back. Lies. So now I'm actually back. So let's see. This is mouse button last. Mouse button. Okay. This thing. Key. Mouse button. Mouse key. I'd like to know it. This code. Yes, mouse code. Yeah, that's again because I hate working in anything other than this. You don't know. Button last, left, right, middle. The book, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I don't need all of this, but I does need this. 8, this, button 1, button 2, and button 3. Like this, button 1, 2, 3, 4, last, button 0. And because can have it, but how do we do it like that? Button. I don't know. It makes sense. Like programmers. Button 8. This is button 7. 0. 1. 2. Mask. Button. So it's gonna be mouse button. Last. I don't care. This. Action. This action. Again. Okay. This and this. This. And stuff there. And just a couple of callbacks. What is that key thing? Okay. Handle preferred position. Setting. X pose and Y pose. Okay. X and Y same. Leave B. Okay. Yes. Okay. Last. Last. Anyways, what I want is back to maybe back to. I mean, does I want that? Do I want that? And it has a lot of that. I mean, it's memory in here just so it's. I put for back to back to now. I don't know position for now. Back dot y x y u y. Copy paste these three. This. We also need to do this and this and this. This windows are these. Give some mode. Mode. Cursor. 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 Mode. And underscore. As case. Let's see. Kill last and now bottom of last. These headshot point of this. Since it's an action, it's gonna be an action. List of action. Action. I mean, it's gonna be an action. Of course. We're just gonna convert the, I guess, action here to action here. No, wait, why would I mean, I can just take an action, correct? Because here, action. Yeah, it's manually set every time, so it doesn't matter. I can just take our action. Action. Action and action. Very smart. With this action keys is action. Yes. Handle mouse action. Mouse and mouse button equal F. There's no need to cast it. It already works. No need to cast it anywhere else. That's why. Init mouse. Such that it in. Okay, let us continue. Do we need to init mouse? No, I don't think so at least. And the only thing I can think of is setting this. Okay. And this like that. It's as of keeps. And also that for like mouse buttons. Because I think those are mouse buttons. Yes, I can do that. I'm not care for indexing. What? Shut up. Let's see. You're not working in the application, or we're working outside of it. So, is there any way? Fold, dual, Control M, Control H. Control Shift. Yeah, doesn't work. This is yes. Control M. Control M, Control O. $2,000. This does exactly what I want. Oh, thank you. Once active. Got the brain set focus, skill focus, system command. And big tools. language. Slash chart doesn't do connector. Mouse move. Input. Input. Sorry about this. Input data. Last. Last. Interesting. Mouse leave. Back balls. Okay. That. Mouse wheel. I'm not supporting that either. Input ball. I'm gonna mouse wheel and mouse 8. Horizontal wheel, interesting. Enter size. Fair. Yeah, cursor, yeah, I don't care about that. Disable cursor, size, height. BM move, what the fuck? Into position, care about the position. Apply aspect ratio. Hey, that ain't changing for me. Get min max. What's min max? Should I have W done? Yeah. Oh my god. Just like, fuck you, we don't care. F you. Damage. I don't know what that means. I'm gonna find out what this means because it sounds fun. And I really don't have anything smarter to do. Oh, it's just a refresh. I thought it's something fun. Bless me. Bless me. Oh, only here can you hear someone saying they bless themselves. Thank you! I don't know what this means. Prevent title bar from being pronounced. What's this? Update framework and transparency. No. DPI. Set cursor. DPI. Ah, this. Unlock. This. Oh. Okay, so now we start part of work. We don't need this. Good close. We're gonna do that later, but not input language also later. Key down. Action. So GLFW is its wallpaper API input. Right. It's not input. It should be input maybe. Anyways, action. Gotcha. I should probably input it. Input manager. So I'm gonna it input, input action, int mouse, p mouse, and then here, 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 here. So input action release and rest. Lots we don't use input. Zero. I'm glad it worked. This is thing. So this key quotes can put some key names should all be static. Static. It's gonna be something like and yeah. Static void init input. Let's go. Init. Of course. So it's gonna be a void input init. So it's gonna be both of these. Yes. Something like input something like this. Let's see. Let's see what just sent. I need to work with this. Okay. I'll be right back. Okay, wait. Well, this loads. Let's just let me I'll check the TikTok. Okay, let's see. So M keys and enhanced buttons. So maybe these buttons should be left where they are. And this is where all of these stuff should be. So this one here, this one here, and these go into here. So let me empty quote is gonna be ASCII code key, every key anything sake. Gonna remove key with key. These are D. Should it D? Yes. Okay. No problem. Okay, now I have to fix all of these bugs on. Thankfully, I saved this. I'm smart. Apostrophe. Coś koma. Royal accent. Brackets. Minus period right slash. Go. Right. Okay, second and 700 more of this. Then backspace. Lock. Lock. Left. Right. Right. The keypad. Let's try that again. Here. Good. World. 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 69. Ski code. Scan code. SE. Ski code. It's a key code. Nice. Let's try and build. The definitions. I guess I cannot have that. Okay, that's fine. Let's do this. Sudo add later. Maybe. and this and late, well, later, maybe today, maybe not today. I have like an hour and 40 minutes left. I think so. Let's see. E is equal to wallpaper API input key codes scan code is wallpaper API input key. It took so long. I think it's right. Oh, I forgot for you. Let's see. No, it's in it, right? In window? No. Where do I? Wait, it is in it. Wait, it's one of these. I know. In here. It is in here. I'm like 100%. Here it is. Must feel action here. Right, correct. I'm gonna do this. Alright, control. I'm gonna look at it now. I forgot you sent it, sorry. Okay, let's see. So this should be action release thing. Shift. It's R. This is a. I mean, it's not a problem. That just means we have to move it from to here. This. All of this need to be static. Input. Yeah, no, of these need to be static, sadly. But we can set non-statically. But we cannot, yeah. Is key down. You can have that and that. Not this. These need to go up to here. And these two need to go up to here too. Thank you. S. Oh. What did I close? Shit. I closed something. A window. I'm gonna curse. View Solution Explorer. Thank fucking wood. Okay, that scared. That scared the shit out of me. Input templates. Copy paste this. Yeah. Keys. And as mouse button, as small button there. Wait, okay. Well, that's what I would have wanted. That's just not what I did. Ah, correct. Right. Hmm. But none of these would have been correct. Okay. None of these need to be static because all none of these need to be static. That's what I wanted to say. I can now move all of these fucks back, and now I'm gonna go cry again. For fuck's sake. For God's sake, no. No cursing, no cursing. Forget cursing, no cursing. And um, okay, so here. Sad, but init mouse doesn't do it. Is equals ask equals. So these please ASCII codes and key codes. So that then. Please stop tabbing out of here. ASCII codes. Okay. Okay. Input manager wallpaper. Yeah. Manager. Input manager is go here. Input. Let's see what my current sends me. Let's see. Why? Let me tell you something. It can very much be used to whatever color I want. Okay. Thank you. See, it works. Who cares? What's because it's much easier to work with them. I'm just gonna make them public. Also, this manager handle yeah. See. Oh my god. Key left. Key left. Fit. Handle. And can I do this when I don't want to and when I need it can't work? Fuck's sake. Yeah. Scan put. Action press. And action release. Press. Press and release. Else. So key. Scan put action. Perfect. Oh my god, no. Button. Use. How is it? Well, I remember temple equals plus hello world equals snake. Use. I need the use namespace. Using namespace. Thank you. So using namespace wallpaper. API. Input. Thank you. So I can go back from without having to write 100 fucking words. Second mouse button. Mouse button. Left. Right. Middle button. 4. 5. Okay. Action is action. Press action. Release. And button last. Put manager but mouse button time. If it's press, I wanna see action press. My brain just mouse button last. HWD. Input manager. Input mouse. Mouse. Spectrum, which is button. And action. So I need to get the action. Okay. Action. Wait a second, I need to practice. In both action it's press. Press. Interesting. It's fast. And very weird, but very interesting. Also, forward fire. And though it's not, we don't, and we don't track the cursor. We now want to track the cursor. And okay, track the cursor always. Cursor disabled. Yes. Input manager dot position. Why? So why? Why? Accent just why? In data disabled. So okay. If no this um def window property. Interesting. So, strong motion. Yeah, there is no raw motion. Raw mass motion. Something that I do not yes. The mouse will. Angle roll. Roll. Scroll. So double across the way of it. I just want to set probably. No. That's how much he scrolled. Okay, just to be sure. The focus window when master function book gets the message to the Windows parent but no box parameters. The distance will and it's only remarks. And this is the type of thing that do add and no add back to 4 because this is not something you can do without ballbacks because no one cares about the current scroll. So I just care, oh, when I scroll, I want to move.